In this video, I'll detail how to lock an iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to lock it, just like mine, I don't have a lock for my iPhone, no Face ID, no passcode. So here basically, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock your iPhone and protect it from unauthorized users and even make it more secure so that you can be rest assured that whenever you drop your iPhone, no intruders is going to have access to it. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to lock your iPhone or an iPhone, you need to take two actions. You need to set up your Face ID and then you need to set up passcode. So first, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, click on Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode. So this depends on your iPhone. If you're using a Touch ID phone, click on Touch ID and passcode. And if you're using a Face ID phone, click on Face ID and passcode. First and foremost, go ahead and set up your Face ID. When setting up your Face ID, make sure you are in your good composure so that you will not have problem using your iPhone Face ID. Then once you click on that, you see a pop that says how to set up Face ID. Click on Get Started. Then focus on it like this. Then now you want to rotate your head slowly to complete the cycle. So this is going to complete a 360-degree cycle like that. Then once complete, you're going to see use face masks to set up your Face ID. I'm going to set this up later. Click on that. Then click on done. Then after that, you'll be prompted to set a passcode on your iPhone. Now this is where to use passcode to lock your iPhone. You'll be prompted to type in 6-digit code to lock your iPhone. In this case, I'm going to set mine to 4-digit by clicking on passcode option, then select 4-digit numeric code. Then go ahead and type in the 4-digit code, repeat it. If the passcode is easy to guess, you'll be prompted to change it or use it anyway. Then hang on for your iPhone to confirm the passcode you set on your iPhone to use to lock your iPhone. Then next, you'll be prompted to type in your Apple ID password. Then go ahead, type in your Apple ID password and make sure you type in the correct. Otherwise, you'll be able to reset your passcode when forgotten. And once done, click on the sign in at the top right. Then there you go. Once you signed into your Apple ID account or Apple account, then you'll be able to set up your Face ID as well as your passcode. That will allow you to lock your iPhone. You see that? Now I have my Face ID set up and then I have my passcode set up. Now, whenever I have my iPhone screen locked like this, then I can either use Face ID or I use passcode. So I can just go ahead and type my passcode or focus on it and that's going to unlock it straight away. So that is basically how to lock an iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.